Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can share Google Maps link to another application. Alright guys, first of all, go to your Google Maps application on your phone, and after you have your Google Maps opened on your phone, you have to select the location that you want to share the link. And right here I'm just gonna pick a random location, and you just need to tap on the location like this until this option appear on your screen. Okay, and you just need to click on share right here to share the location. If you want to share this location to another application, you can select the application you want to share the link to. And for example, you can share to Telegram. But if you want to access another application, you can click on more option right here. You can also copy the link to clipboard. You can simply tap on this copy to clipboard, and you can share the link to another application on your phone. Alright guys, and that's how basically we can share a Google Maps link. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next tutorial.